Understanding the phrase, gather in a circle. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a common English phrase, gather in a circle. This phrase is not just about physical positioning. It carries cultural, social, and educational significance. Stay tuned as we delve into the depths of this interesting expression. Gather in a circle fundamentally means to come together and form a circle. This can be done by standing or sitting so that everyone is facing towards the center, with no clear beginning or end to the formation. It's a simple concept, but why is it so important? Let's find out. In many cultures, gathering in a circle is a symbol of unity and equality. When we sit or stand in a circle, everyone is visible. No one is hidden behind another person. All voices are equally important. In discussions, everyone faces each other, signifying that each person's input is valued. Focus on the center. It often symbolizes focusing on a common goal or topic. In educational settings or meetings, gather in a circle is often used to enhance group dynamics and collaboration, encourage open communication and sharing of ideas, conduct activities that require equal participation from all members. Sometimes, the phrase is used metaphorically to imply coming together as a community or group, even if not in a literal circle. It emphasizes solidarity, support, and collective focus. So, gather in a circle is more than just arranging ourselves in a shape. It's about fostering unity, ensuring equality, and enhancing communication. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this phrase and its significance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more insightful language explorations.